Hi, in this video I will tell you what to do if the GoPro camera of any model does not connect to the computer. That is, the computer does not see the GoPro camera. In order for the camera to be displayed again on your computer, do the following. Turning GoPro off and on again. Then, with the camera turned on, we take out the battery from the camera. Wait a few seconds and insert the battery back and turn on GoPro. Now you can connect the camera to the computer. Now, as you can see, the camera is displayed on the computer and we can move files from GoPro to computer or vice versa. To disconnect your GoPro from your computer, use Windows Safely Remove. If this method did not help, then I want to show you another way how to make the GoPro camera detected in the computer. Turn off the camera, remove the battery from it, and put the battery in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes or 1 minute in the freezer, and then insert the battery back into the camera. This will most likely help because very often the camera does not connect to the computer due to the fact that the battery is overheated.